Hi everybody, my name is Jinkit Kumar and welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you speak English with intensity. I think recently you can see. I think my background. I think recently I've been living in a rural area. I think, and you can see me that it's a place of my lord. I think I can speak with intensity and fluent a little bit. I think in this video I want to talk about how to speak from scratch, how to speak English from scratch. Firstly, I think if you come from this, I think area, so definitely it's gonna to help you a lot. This video is gonna to help you a lot, and please watch this video till the end so that I think you learn a lot of methods and how can you speak English with intensity. However, you have been living in the rural area, villages. I think so. Let's get started. So I think if you have been living in the rural area like me, so don't worry. I think recently I have no any friends so that I could speak with them. But I think I always try to speak to myself because I think myself is my best friend. So that's why I think for example, I think if you are going to speak, if you are going to start your English journey, so firstly I think I want to recommend to all of you guys. Firstly, I think to you have to increase. No, I think you have to increase patience towards English because I think when I was in class 10, so that time I think I didn't know the ABCD of English. But just after class 10, just after class 10th, I think it was the bliss of my lord. I think my I think my interest towards English kept increasing day by day, and I think now you can see me that now I can speak with fluent. It's a bliss of my lord, and it's a little bit of my efforts. So firstly, I think how to speak English with fluent. So let me tell you, I think I think if you want, I think if you want to, for example, if you want to get success in your life, so definitely I think if you want to get consult from somebody, so everybody will suggest you to work hard a lot again and again. Practice, which means practice to practice. So that's why, and I think in the same way you have to do practice and practice in English because I think without practice, not in English but also in everything, you can't be better without the practice. So that's why you have to think about the practice. You have to also always think that I have to practice a lot because practice is my first and the last weapon, which can decimate a lot of I think difficulties. So that's why you have to think about the practice and practice. So I think now you have known that I have to practice a lot. Second, that I think for example, if you are going to start your English journey, for example, now if you don't know any kinds of thing in English, but now I think if you want to learn English, so don't worry, you have come on the in the good video. I think you have come the place on the best place. Let me tell you about learning English. Firstly, I think if you are going to start your English, so firstly you have to, I think you need to learn, you need to know about tenses. I think firstly you have to learn one lesson. I think I want to recommend to all of you guys, you have to learn only one lesson from grammar. That lesson is tense. In that lesson, in the tense, I think you will be taught 12 structures: present, present indefinite, present imperfect, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past perfect, past imperfect, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. In the same way, future indefinite, future imperfect, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. So you will be taught 12, I think 12 structure of tenses because I think it's a kind of tense. And I think if you learn these structures, if you learn this, I think lessons, so definitely it will help you a lot in your speaking English. Because I think when I started English, so that time, firstly I learned tense. Because nothing, when you learn the terms, so after that you will be able to make a lot of sentence, I think, and you will be able to make sentence, I think, whatever you want, I think, which kind of you want to make, I think. So firstly I want to recommend to all of you guys to learn first lesson, I think tense. I think this I come from Bihar, so here Mathli, is spoken. Maithili is my native language, and after second, I think Hindi. So I think when I started English, so that time I think I learnt least. I learnt I think tense that I have already mentioned in this video. I think, and after that, after learning the tense, I started to make a lot of sentences from the I think from the tenses. For example, I think just for example, मैं खा रहा हूँ, I am eating. मैं खाता हूँ, I eat. मैं खा चुका हूँ, I have eaten. This way, I think I kept making a lot of sentence, and recently I have been making as well. So firstly, you have to learn tense, and after that, you have to make a lot of sentence. I think according to the past, no, present, past, and continuous tense. I think so after that, I think in a method of speaking, so I think in the, because I think tense will help you to make sentences, and I think and second thing is the most that learning new words. I think I want to suggest you to learn at least 10 words per day, because I think when you learn a lot of words, so definitely your English will be increasing, your English power, your English skill has been increasing. So that's why you have to learn at least 5 to 10 words per day, and after that you have to make a lot of sentence. You have to make as much as you can. So, and second that, I think third things that, if you, for example, now let's go on the learn on the speaking, because it was the practical, it was the, I think writing, it was writing and learning, and now let's go to talk about speaking. I think if you want to speak, so firstly it's a language, so that's why you have to speak. Because however, I think if you make a lot of sentence, so it doesn't matter. Secondly, and first and the foremost thing for you is to speak English as much as possible. So firstly, you have to speak as much as you can. As you know, and you I think you must have a question that, I think how can I speak English, because I have no anybody. Don't worry, bro. I think when I started English, so that time I had no any friend, and in the same way recently I have no any friend. But because my Lord's place, and I to know, and because of self study, self practice, you can see me that now I am speaking in front of you. So firstly, you have to speak to yourself, like as I think when I started English, so that time, I think when I used to do anything, so that time I immediately translated it. For example, I think if I am about to eat food, so that time I say मैं खाता हूँ. For example, I think मैं खाने जा रहा हूँ. For example, I think if you are gonna to eat food, so that time you have to say मैं खाने जा रहा हूँ. So you have to immediately translate it into Hindi, into English, that I am gonna to eat food. I am going to eat food. Now I think, just for example, you are eating food. जैसे ना मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. You can say I am eating food. And after that, after eating food, you can say that I have eaten food. मैं खा चुका हूँ. So I think when you speak, when you translate this way in your mind, firstly I think, because a lot of people will say you that I think you don't have to translate in your mind, but let me tell you that I think, in the beginning time you have to translate, otherwise you can't speak. If you have been living in this area, then only I think you have to firstly translate. And as time pass, I think the more you practice, definitely the more better you will speak. So I think I have already mentioned in this video that I think practice is everything, and practice makes us perfect. So that's why you have to practice. And I think I've just told you that you have to translate in your mind, and as well as you have to speak. You don't have to only translate, but also speak. So that's why, for example, you are gonna to any market, for example, जैसे मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ, so that time you have to say I am gonna to market, I'm going to market, where I will buy vegetables, I think. So that's why you can say to yourself, not everybody, because let me tell you, I think if somebody tells you that, oh bro, you can't speak English in this atmosphere, I think you don't have to think about anybody, you have to think about yourself. So that's why. And that's why I think, and you have to do this way. I think talk to yourself, only talk to yourself. You don't have to think. Yeah. And second thing is the most I want to recommend to all of you guys, that watch the any kinds of movie and videos in English language. because I think when you speak, for example, when you watch any kinds of video in English, so I think those videos will definitely help you, because I think recently I always try to watch any kinds of video again and again, because when I watch video, so that time I think it reflects on my mind, because I think when you listen somebody, so definitely I think it will help you a lot. So recently I have no anybody. I have already told you that I think I had no any friend when I started English, and recently I have not still any kinds of friend, but I talk to myself. So that's why you have to watch any kinds of video, but in English. I think recently, I think in beginning time, I assume that you will not be able to recognize any kinds of thing, but also you will have to speak. No, you'll have to watch the videos again and again, because I think when you watch the video, so it will I think it will make your English so easy for you. So that's why you have to watch videos, and sometime you can listen any kinds of music in English, because I think definitely honestly that my phone has helped me a lot in the I think booming my English. So that's why you have to also watch the videos, but sometime, not every time. So that's why. And I'm going to end this video. I hope that you must have liked this video, and I think if you follow these rules, so definitely your English will be excellent and you will be able to speak English. And I think I have already mentioned in this video, and I think I want to again mention in this video that practice, bro. Practice is everything. And I think if you are not able to, I think if you don't practice of speaking English, so definitely, however, you can make a lot of sentence. I want to recommend you that I think you have to make only 100 sentence per day, only 100 sentence. But after that you have to speak. I think you have to practice on them, that मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं खा रहा हूँ, I am eating, मैं खा चुका हूँ, I am eating. This way you have to practice. And I think when you do this way, so definitely as time pass, you will definitely become speaker in this language. And let me tell you that I think learning language takes a lot of time. So that's why you don't have to be bothered, and I think you don't have to think that oh bro, I think I have been speaking English for about 6 months, but I haven't spoken English with clarity of thoughts. So you don't have to think, because a great things always takes a lot of time. So that's why you don't have to be bothered. You have to believe in yourself. And so that's why now I'm going to end this video, and I hope that you must have learned a lot of things from this video. And if you want to like this video, so please press the like button and subscribe also, so that you always get notification. You always get the video that I always upload on the YouTube. So that's why I'm going to end this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.